In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can convert iPhone photos to a JPEG or JPEG. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But go ahead and open up the Photos app and choose whatever photo you want to go ahead and convert. In this case, let's just go ahead and say I want to convert this image right here. So go ahead and open it up, and what you're going to want to do is select this little info button down in the very bottom, and you will see what format the image is in. This one's already a JPEG one, so I'm actually going to choose a different photo. Here we go. This one is like a PNG, I guess. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is hit the share button down in the bottom left corner, and then from here scroll down and find the option to save it to files and save it just like so. From here, back out and open up that Files app. And once you open up that Files app, go ahead and locate that picture that you just saved. Here it is right here. Press and hold down on that picture and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and select Quick Actions at the very bottom and then go ahead and choose Convert Image. From here, go ahead and select JPEG and then hit Keep Original Size. And after you do that, it'll convert that image for you, where you can go ahead and open it up. Hit the little eye and see it is now a JPEG, and then you can hit share and then save it directly to your images again, and then just go into your images and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.